backup and restore your device, from the home screen, select the menu button and go into Applications. From there, you'll go to Backup and Restore, and then you'll choose to enable that so that you can do a backup. All of your contacts, your calendar, your SMS and MMS data will be backed up, and any media content like photos, audio files, and videos will be saved as well. A warning message is displayed. Backup may take a few minutes. Please do not perform any operations during this time. Select OK to start the backup. If you want to restore, it's the same process, and you simply select Restore. It'll restore your contacts, calendar, SMS, and MMS all back onto the device.
Thank you for watching. For more resources, visit sonimtech.com.